Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. I want to take a second and showcase our 2019 Scout 210 Dorado, right? So we got this one in the optional flag blue hull color. Very nautical look, as well as the bimini top. Scout always has that white rub rail with the stainless steel insert to complement. We have the standard Yamaha 150 four-stroke, as well as integrated tabs, along with our integrated swim platforms. We also have the optional tow bar on this one. And I'm going to step inside and we'll show you the rest. Alrighty guys, now we're in the cockpit. We've got the optional back-to-back seat lounge in here. So you can quickly pull this and convert it to a bench seat or a lounge to lay out on. There's lockable storage underneath. We've got rod storage over here on the port as well. This boat has a full bench seat across with storage under both sides. I can quickly deploy that, allow everybody to get in through the wave gate that's integrated here so we can go in from both sides of the swims. On the back half of the transom here, we have additional storage on both port and starboard. We have a lockable ski locker in the floor. We've got our prop and then as well as our boat cover there. Dry storage over here on the port side lounge with the additional second battery. Lockable glove box right here on the port side with cup holders. At the helm, clear display to where you can flush mount or mount your GPS in there, as well as lock it, as well as a nice big glove box. Bluetooth stereo, LED trim indicator switch for our Lenco trim tabs. This boat does have the digital throttle and shift. So this is an XEA Yamaha 150. We have our systems panel down here with our battery switch for on and off. Moving to the bow, large lounges with storage under the port side, as well as a quick deployed cocktail table with what my wife calls the mimosa bar. So up front as well, we have our anchor locker storage, and then the standard bow rail from Scout. Hope you guys enjoyed our tour of our 2019 Scout 210 Dorado. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach us out at 843-747-1889. And again, I'm Dotson Guys from MarineMax Charleston.